Are you trembling with fear, Topstop?
No. It's just that I was fixing up the jackhammer and it left me like this.
Right, of course, the jackhammer.
He comes looking for T-Racers so he can take the powers from their cars to create the perfect car.
I've already got that car.
Then you'd better watch out, Ice Flame. Phantom Racer never won a round of the Turbo League.
And how does he do it, bro? Does he eat him or what?
First, you see his blinding headlights. Then you hear his blood-curdling engine. And that's when you have to run, because if he catches you, you disappear.
My bad. That banana smoothie made me gassy.
It's Phantom Racer! Run! Come on, it's just a ghost story. You don't really believe it, do you? Where's Tropical Hit? You don't think...
Look out! Here he comes! Let's go!
That isn't Tropical Hit's engine.
Hurry, Topstop, or...
There's got to be an explanation for all of this. It's a driver who got lost or something. You'll never get me, you four-wheeled ghoul! Nitro Fresh, freeze him! Fine. If you don't want to freeze, I'll just have to boil you. Fire boost! He's not there! I beat him! I'm too good a racer for that loser spirit! He's right on top of me! No!
Happy birthday, dear Ice Flame! Happy birthday to you!
What's all this? What about Phantom Racer?
You nearly fried me back there, buddy.
X-Racer? But how?
That's why they need a teacher like me, Crazy Jaws, who knows how to handle buccaneers. Watch out, T-Racers! The sharks are closing in!
Sharks? Those are just a couple of canned sardines.
That's not what I was most afraid of. This is what I was afraid of!
Hey kid, you're gonna need a good sailor's knot if you want to stay in one piece.
I'll take ye by the starboard keel, ye land lubbers.
Gazrat, do you understand a word that skull's saying?
Not a thing!
A toast to my hell!
Water! Water! Go!
Tropical Rage! Show him what we can do! Catch me if you can, fishy!
Trashland, today you get leftovers.
I must admit, you are good, but you aren't even close to the cup.
Yo-ho-ho! All aboard Pirate Shark! You want the booty, Crazy Jaws? Well, go and find it!
You asked for it, Bones!
Full sail ahead!
That booty's mine!
Where's he going?
He's totally insane!
Mad crab power! Turtle squid power!
Dirty and sticky. I like his style.
You'll go over the shark board and shoot out to the depths of the sea, Crazy Jaws!
We'll see about that! No pirate in any of the 7 seas will take my booty!
Boy, Neptune's speed!
Mine!
I hope you've learned a little something from Crazy Jaws!
Too bad he thinks he's so cool.
Who wants to talk in cup that babbles on all day? Patch on your eye, buccaneers.
Good point, sailor.
Well, off to do what we do best. Run!